Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the first maths lesson of this lockdown. Now, for those of you with books 3 and 4 for the maths, you're going to be watching my videos throughout the duration. And together, we're going to work through the book so many pages at a time. Each day, I'll tell you at the start of the lesson which pages we're going to be following and give you tips and guidance that you need to listen to in order to help you complete them successfully. Then, when you've done them, you can take a picture and email it to me at the end of the day. Can't wait to see how we get on and how we can learn together in this unusual and remote way. So, for those of you with book 3, the first thing that it asks you to do on page 1 is it asks you to count in 25. So it starts on 0 and you're going to fill in the boxes. So obviously the first box is going to have 25. The next box will be 50 because 25 and 25 is 50, and so on and so forth until you get to the final box. Now, remember, if you have 25 and 25, if you add the 5, that will take you to 30 and then 2 10s. The next part on there is filling in missing numbers again. Now it's giving you the beginning of 0 and it's giving you a number part way along of 5,000. It's up to you then to work out what each of these increments, these boxes, are worth. Once you've worked that out, then you can successfully fill in each box. I'm sure though, if you know that that's 5,000 and this is the 5th box, it will be quite simple for you to work out. Now, on here, we're back to our Roman numerals and how much they are worth. It asks you to write the numbers these Roman numerals stand for. So let's have a little look at what the Roman numerals actually mean. So the final task on this page is filling in again missing numbers. Now, I've highlighted the fact that this one is a minus number, minus 5, and then it goes to 5. So the little increment in between will be 0. This will be plus 5. What is the next 5 and what is the next 5? Now these are all on the positive. Coming back down then, minus 5. What will be the next number? Now it's going to be a minus number and still counting in your 5s. So that one, you've guessed it, is going to be minus 10. So what will be this one? Again, a minus number. Now here, it's got 0 in the middle, and then you're going to plot these numbers exactly the same on the bar below. Okay, now that is book 3, page 1. We've gone through that. So let's have a little look at book 4. Now, the first job that you need to do is next to each number, you need to write it in words. So, for example, 47, you will actually write 47. So, thinking about my spelling as well, and in a little moment, you're going to see the spellings for the numbers to help you. So, this is how you will write it in there. So, let's have a look at how we can spell the numbers so that you can refer back to those. Okay, so I hope you could all read that clearly to help you and support you writing out your numbers in words. The next one then, it turns it round this time. So this time we've got the numbers in words and we need to write it in numbers, in numerals. So, for example, 360. So what will that look like? So there's my 3 for my 300. 6 for my 10s, and I've got no 1s, so 360. Further down, it asks me to write the 5 numbers that come just before and just after 503 on the number track before. So what is the number that comes before 503? Well, the number that comes before 3 is 2. I need to remember I've got the 500, so that will be 502. And I repeat that thought process. So what number comes before 2? Yeah, you've guessed it. It's going to be 1. So I write 501 and so on. Now, once you get to here, you are going to be in the 400. So have a little think and see if you can complete that tricky task. And this way is quite simple: 503, 504, and so on and so forth. And the last one for you today, if you can see that on the video, is we are going to be looking at Jake has 4 apples, he is given another 7. How many apples has he got now altogether? Now, we need to add them up. So 4 in your head, add 7. But then it asks you to write the answer in words. Okay, so when you've worked it out, whatever your answer is, you need to make sure that you write that in words. You might want to refer back to the picture to make sure that you spell your number correctly. That's all for today, but I'll see you tomorrow for the next page. Take care. Look forward to seeing your work through the email. Bye for now.